Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yo di fizi bois son nèglet. Le man gat la, mwen un bel gason. Mon bel gason. Eske fizi bois net vwe? Ti Jésus na krèche li. Ti Jésus na krèche. Fizi bois était gason. Yeah, madam. Yeah, man. To all my beautiful Asian women, I love you all. Monsieur Haitien yo, respectez femme haïtienne. Parce que pas gen passe yo. Sou bezon femme qui pi douce dans le monde là, c'est femme haïtienne. Femme haïtienne. Bal ba ou ki pays. Si m'ta pran bay, m'bap ka fini. Mais femme haïtienne yo belle. Regarde dans Facebook, on prend qui belles amis. On prend apprécier yo, qui belles amis. I mean, I got love and respect for them. On so, you belle moun. On so, yeah man. Yeah man. Haitian woman are beautiful, man. Asian women are beautiful. I don't give a damn what you said about other nations, but my Asian woman, my nation, are the most beautiful woman on earth, man. Even God knows that, man. Asian women are beautiful. Asian women are beautiful. And you know, no woman can treat you better than Asian woman. When you have an Asian woman in your hand, you eat everyday food. You don't you don't eat leftover. You eat everyday food. When Asian woman is happy, when Asian woman is happy, she make you happy too. I love Asian woman. Asian woman at the top of the line. When they love you for real. Asian woman at the top of the line. But when they said they're done with your ass, they done with your ass for real. I love my Asian woman because they are the top of the line. I don't care what you say about them. I love Asian woman. And I know I will always fall in love with an Asian woman. Asian women have the most beautiful species on earth. Asian women are beautiful. They are smart. Some of them are dumb too. I'm not going to say smart. Some of them are very dumb. Some of them are very stupid. Some of them, you know what, sometimes will make you feel like all Asian women are like that. But no, only one person of age, only one tiny Asian woman happen. After that, all the Asian women are good women. They are good women. And I'm telling you this, I love my Asian woman.